Okay, we're going to go to math.com. Click on the algebra. It's going down to equations. We're looking at 9.1. If I get that to come up, there it is. 9.1. So we are working our way right down the list. I'll be glad when I finish algebra so I can move on to bigger and better things. Alright, I got that written down. I think probably moving on to trigonometry will be the next course that we'll be working on. That's a fun course because you can draw a lot of pictures with what you do in trigonometry. Associate a bigger picture to the problem. Okay, so here we go. Let's get that x plus 8 out of the denominator here. And we're going to do that by multiplying both sides by x plus 8. Now, you know what? I hate to have to do this, but we're going to actually give some room here. What was over here? I've already forgotten. There it is. Okay, so we're going to multiply x plus 8 to both sides. And x plus 8 over here. I didn't want to put x plus 8 over here because it's negative up front. Now we can cancel these guys out. And so now we're going to be left with the negative 15 is equal to x times x plus 8. Alright, see that? Now let's distribute this x across. We get x squared plus 8x. And let's go ahead and take this negative 15 over to the right. That'll make that a positive 15. That's the same thing as adding 15 to both sides, right? Alright, so there you go. So now what we need to do is factor this. And that shouldn't be too difficult, considering we got a 1 out here. So what do we got? 15, 3 and 5. 3 and 5, and where that's going to be a plus and a plus, right? 3 times 5 is 15, and when we add them we get 8. Alright, so now what we'll do is set both these factors equal to 0. X is negative 3. Work on the other one here. X is negative 5. So one of these two solutions we're not going to be able to use probably. Wait a minute. Maybe we'll use them both. It's kind of odd. Well, negative 3. I did do this right. I didn't write anything down wrong. Right. 8x. See, x squared, 8x. 15. 3 times 5 is 15. When we add them, we get 8. Yeah, that's got to be our two possible solutions. Now you can always go in and check your work by plugging these into, let's see, negative 3 and 8 is 5. 5 goes into, it's 3 times negative 3. Negative 3. Negative 3 is equal to negative 3. Okay. I guess we're not trying to be tricky like the last problem. Negative 5, negative 3. That's what it shows. Yep. Okay. So we're over here, go to math.com, get it worked out. See you next problem.